Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Got another little trick I want to share with you today. Let's say you have a dashboard, much like this. You've got two. You've got this one, and then you can navigate to the details, the client details. What I want to do is be able to select a city, and it's highlighted. I've already set up the action, and so you can scroll through here. And if these are the cities, yeah, these looks like the city I want to get some more information on. I click the details, and it gives me for all the cities. Right now, it's got everything. So you might say to yourself, okay, that's simple enough, Weston. I don't see what the problem is. Let's see, come to dashboard. I guess that's the problem. Action, I'm going to create a filter, right? Going to create a filter. It's on the map. And you're going to filter on the details tab, and you want it just to filter on the client details, right? Simple enough. Here's what happens. You come here, you select this item here, you want to see a little bit more about it. It immediately jumps you to the client details. You may not want to see the details yet. I want to be able to filter and look through this information and then go to the details. So first we're going to get rid of that action. Now we're going to go to the Client Details tab. All right, I'm going to come to Order City. I'm going to create a set. This gives you a list of everything, and we're just going to pick one just so we have something to work with. We'll pick Bloomfield. Okay, that's going to give you a set. Actually, I should have renamed that. Edit set, we'll call this city filtered cities. Okay, and now we're going to bring the filtered city up to, can you see what that's saying there? It's in/out. We're going to bring that to filter. And now it is only going to filter the item that we had selected. We selected Bloomfield. Here we are. Now, this is where it gets exciting. Come to main view. You start having a lot of ability once you understand how this works. Some interesting combinations. We're going to add an action. Instead of selecting filter, we're going to do change the set values. All right, we'll just call this map filter on city. We want it to be select. We want it just to be the map. This is the data set that we're working with. We want it to apply to filtered city. That was that set we created. And when we unselect, we want to add all the values back in. Okay. So now we're going to select Clifton again. All right. We see Clifton here. Yep, that's what we wanted to see. Okay, yeah, that's really interesting information. Now we go to the details page, and now we see all the details for Clifton, not anything else. So now how do you get rid of that? Go back here, unselect it, and now if you come to the details page, you can see everything. This is really great. You might have a report on your details page that is great, it's broad, but then on this page here you may see something and you say, you know what, I want to focus on Jersey City, and now I'm pressing Control, and West Orange and Ridgewood. I'm doing this on a map, but you could just as easily do it on this client list or the miscellaneous info list. And now we've got 3 cities, and when we go to details page, you have those 3 cities popping up. Real quick little trick, makes your dashboard feel more cohesive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave those comments. Thanks a lot. Bye.